Tutorial evolution. Let's study with fun. When were you born?
20 September.
Sorry.
21 September.
Sorry again.
21st September.
Oh, okay. Hi dear students. Hope you are doing well with your studies. Today's lesson is on spoken English and this is the 5th lesson. Today I will teach you how to say about date and year. This is gonna be a short video but it's very important. So stay tuned. Let's get started. So dear students, there are 3 different ways you can tell about the date of a month, such as September 21st, September the 21st, and the 21st of September. Now to tell about a year, you should tell in the following ways: 2020, 2020, 2020. Now let's combine them, okay? If you are asked what's today's date, sir, you should tell it's 1st September 2020. You can also combine them differently, okay? The ways you should write dates. Let's take some example. 16th December 2020. 16th December 20. In this case, you have to put an apostrophe and write the last 2 digits of the year. Okay? Another, September 16, 2020 or September 16th, 2020. Okay? Now let's learn how and where to add the suffix st, nd, rd, th with ordinal numbers. So dear students, hope you have enjoyed the lesson and I hope next time you will be very confident whenever you say about date and time. Coming soon with a new fresh lesson on spoken English. Till then, have fun with study. Ta-da!